Hello everybody, I'm Parvez and this is our 24th video in Python for data science and our 10th video in Matplotlib. In the last video we have covered about bar charts. In this video we are going to cover pie charts in Matplotlib. For this I'm going to make a new Python file and call it pie chart, like this. Okay, first of all, what's pie chart? Pie charts are circular representation divided into sectors, or also we can call these sectors as a wedge. Let me show you an example about this. First of all, I'm importing numpy as np, and also I'm importing matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay. Now I'm going to define an numpy array, numpy array, and I give this, for example, 50, 30, and 20. Okay. Now I'm going to give labels for this. I give this the labels to apples, bananas, like this, bananas, and melons. Okay. Now we are going to plt.py, give your x, and for the label, labels equal to labels. Okay. After that, simply show your pie chart. If I run this, you can see that now I have a nice pie chart: apple, banana, melon. Thank you guys, this was our pie chart, and for the further videos don't forget to subscribe my channel.